3 ways you could create animated videos with movement, sounds, and action. Right here using Canva AI alone with no other apps. I'm about to show you how to do it. Let's get right into it. First of all, we on the Canva homepage, and yes, you already know I'm working with the Canva Pro account. I'm assuming that you've already gotten yours too. I hope that you have, because it is well worth it. So now, I'm not sure if you can do this without the Pro account. I really don't have any way to find out. So if anybody knows, if you could drop it in the comments, can you use these animated AI apps on Canva without having the Pro account? Other than that, let's get right into it. Now, we're on the Canva homepage, so we're going to click on video right here below the search bar and go to mobile video. See, just this easy. Next, we're coming over here to your left, and we're going to go down to apps and type in the search bar KIRKEY animated. Kirky AI. I'm sorry, Crikey. I keep saying Kirky, and make sure you get it right, because it's not going to pop up when you type it in wrong. So type in KRIKEY AI, and that's what we're working with. You click there, and we're going to choose an avatar. Let's just go with the first little bunny here, and we'll give her some animations next. Let's say she is birthday dancing. Next, we'll give her a message. Hello everyone, welcome to my party. Let's get it popping, girl! Exclamation. And let's say enhanced voice model. We're using the voice of Rachel. Leave it there. We can preview the voice, but we don't need to. Let's generate this video. And now, while we waiting on that to happen, let me just say thank you for tuning in to the channel. We are so close to our goal of 400 uploads. Also, we have more than 400 subscribers. Just that quick. I'm so impressed with you, Get It Girl Gang. I am so elated to have you. So stick with me. I'm going to do my best to keep bringing y'all some high information that you can use and turn into value. Now, you see, Crikey AI has successfully uploaded our media. Let's take the ellipses here that's connected to the image and set this video as our background. And there we have it. And that's a man's head, and I thought it was a lady.
Hello everyone, welcome to my party today. Let's get it popping, girl.
Like it. So that's one way. Now we're just gonna go right back to Canva homepage. Sorry. Canva.com. Back on the homepage. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the second one, and this is by finding animated elements. So let's go here. Let's say we're working on a video, but this time we're gonna do a landscape. So client, a presentation, a promo video, whatever, but you'll be able to animate this circle. Let me show you how. First thing we're going to do is let's give it a little background. We'll go to elements, and let's find some shapes. Let's get a square. I'll take the first one, and we'll set this as the, in fact, let's go ahead and delete that. I got a better idea. Sorry, square, we're not going to use you. We'll go right back over to the left and click on elements. We'll take our square. This time, let's put in park. We're going to use a park as our background. Let's go to some photos. Let's see all. See if we see anything. Okay, here's something cute and popping. Let's take that and make it our background. Set this image to the back, and now we're going to find some elements that are animated, and let me show you how. Now you see elements. We're going to go to the search bar here, and we're going to type in the type of animal that we can see at a park. Let's say squirrel. And we have a choice here with these ellipses on the side, and we can go down Pick a color, pick a rotation, but we're going to say that the animation is animated. And enter, scroll down. That's it. Now we got us some animated squirrels in the graphics. And let's see all and see what they doing. This all we get? Okay, let's take this little sucker here. And we will place him over here behind this bench. Now let's see if we can find a cute little deer that's animated. Oh yes, now we're working with something. We got a cute little deer who'll be over in the bushes. He looks like a puppy, but we'll take him. And he's animated as well. So let's make him be looking at the squirrel. And we could do that by flipping him around. And we'll put him here. Pull the squirrely on to the back over here. And there we go. We have a animated slideshow. This could even be a story, make it a video. You can add a host of other things. Let's say butterflies or fireflies that are animated. And so you get the drift. You get to see everything that can move with the animal or, object of your choice. Let's see what we have here. See all for fireflies. And this is, okay, let's say dragonfly. Also, you can generate those, but that's not what we're doing right now. Just stick to the topic, Canva. All right. Okay. Why don't we say girl? And we'll animate a girl by clicking the ellipsis once again and checking animated. Click out of there. Just click anywhere. And now we see all of our animated girls. And who are these girls at the park, honey? What are these girls doing, honey? She look like she's styling and profiling on these folks out here. And she is gorgeous. So everything here is moving. It makes a lot of difference when you're looking at images online. So there you have the second way you can animate your images. Now, let's go right back to Canva homepage. And I'm going to show you from the top. See, I like to take it from the top with you, girl. So this time I'm going to show you how to use the buzz effect on a video. So we just say video. Let's make it a landscape. And this time we're going to enter let's enter a background. Let's say spooky graphic. Let's say spooky background. Okay, let's roll with that. And we'll make this the background. Stay with me now. Let's go ahead and look for let's say ghost. Okay, we have a ghost in the night. We're going to animate this little joker. Let's take him, highlight him, make sure he's outlined in purple. We know we're working with him, and say edit. Now we get to edit. They letting us know if you edit this image, it's going to enable him to be still. So let's see, can we adjust him by adding our B line here? So it doesn't look like we can use this particular image for the B line, but animated. Let's see. Maybe I'm on the wrong one. Oh yeah, I was. I am so sorry, but you're not gonna click on edit. You're gonna highlight your image that you want to animate and click on animate. Duh. Okay. Don't beat me up in the comments. Now, we've got our little ghost highlighted. What do we want him to do? Let's give him a custom animation by clicking it. And then it's telling us to drag where we want him to go. So we're going to bring him out of the ground, up into the night, down a bit. They float. and off and to the side. There we go. And he is animated. Isn't he perfect? Okay, you can add other effects on him. You can change the speed here on him, make him go a little faster, and whoosh away. I just love it. Canva is the best place to get creative, to make money, to sell and use digital products. Okay, I don't know about anybody else, or I'm not bashing any other apps, but Canva is my go-to. Now, I've just shown you 3 different ways you can animate any image on Canva. I hope you put it to use. I hope this gave you some value. I'll see y'all in the next video.